Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. So today I thought I would do a date look, a lunch date look. Now this is going to be a two-part thing. And so next week is going to be cocktails and dinner look. And today is going to be lunchtime look. When we do a first date makeup, you want your makeup to look almost like it's not there. I wouldn't say it's a no makeup look. You need to look like you've made some effort and not just rolled out bed. But it's quite a sort of natural makeup in terms of colours. It's neutral, not too much shimmer, not too much gloss. You just need to look groomed and like you've made some kind of effort. So let's get started. First, I've already put this on actually. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. This is lovely stuff. It's got vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, SPF. It's like a radiance booster. So you just pop it on all over your skin. It smells lovely, your skin feels hydrated, and your makeup just glides on beautifully. So I pop some of that on, and then afterwards I put on a foundation. I really, really like this foundation. It's quite sheer to medium coverage, I would say. It's £26, and I got it in shade 350. I really, really like the way that it went on. You can build it up if you want to. It's a semi-matte finish. Then I popped on some Secret Camouflage concealer by Mercier under my eyes and just a little bit around the nose. And then I set my foundation and concealer with Earle's Natural Ivory loose powder. So I really, really like the classic Tom Ford Honeymoon palette we have here. And I'm just going to sweep a mixture of these top two colours over my eyelids. I'm just going to go just beyond my socket line there. I love, love, love Tom Ford eyeshadows. There's absolutely no fallout and they just glide on like heaven. Very, very high concentration of pigment as well. Just going to go in with my NARS palette here, which is all about Eve. It's almost, this is a matte, this is matte. I'm just going to sort of take down some of that shimmer, but keep the brightness there. Okay, I'm just going to do a very, very soft socket now. I'm going to be using this darker shade over here, and I'm going to be using this brush by NARS. Just look straight ahead. Sorry if I'm not looking at camera, I need to look at the mirror. Just sweep that back and forth on the sort of outer third of your socket. I like these colours because they've got a metallic hue, and my top is a metallic hue. So I'm just going to go back in with a flatter brush now and take that dark colour just a little bit under my eye so it all kind of joins together and connects. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is by Tarte in black. This is nice. Really, really separates your lashes. It's lovely. You don't want anything too clumpy, and certainly not false lashes for a daytime look. So mascara done, and I'm just going to go in with this pencil by Charlotte Tilbury. This is called Colour Chameleon Dark Pearl. Okay. Just going to take that under the eyes. Okay. And finally, I probably should have done this before, my mascara. This is her iconic liquid eyeliner, Rock and Roll in Barbarella Brown. I'm just going to put that on. Literally just push it in really, really closely to the lash line, just to give a little bit more definition. You just push, 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 very gently. And this pencil's lovely, it doesn't scratch at all, it's super duper soft. Okay, next brows. I'm going to use my favourite Technic pencil and just draw. Okay, not too much. You just want your brows looking groomed. I don't have any natural hair, so I have to do little strokes, but you know, you can use whatever brow product is good, a gel, and fill in any spaces with a pencil or shadow. It's up to you. There's loads out there to choose from at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to go with my cheeks now. This is called Rouge by Illamasqua. It's a cream blush, which is quite nice, so the powder's not going to sit on your skin. So I'm just going to take my ring finger and use the back of my hand as a palette. That's such a pretty colour. I really, really like that. Very, very easy to blend as well. Gorgeous. I love it. It's got a little bit of shimmer without that sparkle. Just gives you that sort of healthy glow. So that and Charlotte's cream underneath, you know, skin's looking good. Then we'll go onto the temples, just, you know, just warms up your whole. So I've lined my lips with the NARS lip liner here. So I got this, I thought this was quite apt. Hot lips, hot date. Sounds good, doesn't it? So this particular range, they're miniatures, handbag size, which is brilliant. The colours have been inspired by various celebrities, and the one I'm going to use today is inspired by Salma Hayek. A sort of nice, pretty little plummy colour. Perfect handbag size. It's very concentrated, I have to say. Now, you could wear a gloss, but obviously a gloss isn't going to last as long. This is matte, but it's hydrating at the same time, which is always a bonus. I like that. It's really hydrating. Feels nice. So there you have it. There is your natural day date makeup look. Ready to go. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed watching my daytime date look, part 1. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, and details of my Chanel giveaway are in the description box below. Do have a look at those for the T's and C's, and I'll see you next time for part 2. Bye.